Hello, my name is Nicole, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your lash extensions using two different We Love Eyes products, the Hypochlorous Eyelid Cleansing Spray and the Eyelid Foaming Cleanser. When you have eyelashes installed, you want to make sure the lashes are cleaned at least twice every week. If not, you risk eye irritation or worse, infection. Let's start with the Hypochlorous spray. This spray is 100% oil-free and is formulated to prevent bacteria from growing on or around your lashes. Using the We Love Eyes eyelid brush, spray 1 or 2 pumps of the solution onto the brush. Then gently massage your eyelids and the base of your lashes with the brush like so. From here, you can choose to leave the solution on or rinse off. Either way works. The second product I'll demonstrate is the Eyelid Foaming Cleanser. This foaming cleanser has a very small percentage of tea tree oil in the solution and is best used if you suffer from symptoms from blepharitis, MGD, or any dry eye symptoms. The tea tree oil in the solution will control growth of Demodex and other irritants that can cause inflammation on or around your eyelid and eyelash area. To use, dispense 1 to 2 pumps of the solution onto the eyelid margin brush. With your eyes closed, gently massage the eyelids with the solution. Then, rinse the brush with water and massage your eyelids again. You're going to want to wash the foaming cleanser off your eyelids because it is a soap and it will sting if it gets into your eyes. After rinsing off the soap, pat dry your eyelids. Remember not to drag any fibrous materials over your lashes as they can pull your lashes out. Finish off by air drying the lashes for a few seconds, then brushing through with an eyelash brush. Remember, when you have lashes installed, you want to practice good hygiene to make the most of your investment, so make sure you keep them clean.